When it comes to enhancing both the beauty and functionality of your home, few features make as big an impact as bay windows. For homeowners in Lafayette, custom bay window designs offer the perfect opportunity to elevate curb appeal, bring in more natural light, and create a space that truly reflects your style and needs. Bay windows are typically made up of 3 panels, a large center window flanked by 2 angled side windows. What makes them especially appealing is their versatility. With custom design options, you're not limited to a standard look. Instead, you can tailor every detail to complement your home and lifestyle. One of the first design choices to consider is the window style itself. While the center panel is often a fixed picture window for unobstructed views, the side panels can be operable. Double-hung or casement windows on the sides allow for ventilation, giving you the best of both worlds, fresh air and expansive views. In Lafayette's climate, this added airflow can help improve indoor comfort throughout the year. Material selection is another important factor in customizing your bay window. Homeowners can choose from options like vinyl, wood, fiberglass, or aluminum. Vinyl is a popular choice for its durability and low maintenance, while wood offers a classic, timeless look. Fiberglass provides strength and energy efficiency, and aluminum delivers a sleek, modern appearance. The right material ensures your bay window not only looks great but also stands up to Lafayette's weather conditions. Glass options also play a key role in performance and style. Energy-efficient glass, such as double or triple pane with low E coatings, helps regulate indoor temperatures by reflecting heat while allowing natural light in. This is especially beneficial in Lafayette, where maintaining comfort during warm and humid months is essential. You can also choose tinted or decorative glass for added privacy and visual interest. Frame color and finish customization allow you to match your bay window to your home's exterior and interior design. Whether you prefer a bold contrast or a seamless blend, there are a wide range of color options available. Inside your home, you can select finishes that complement your decor, creating a cohesive and polished look. Another exciting aspect of custom bay windows is the interior space they create. The extended design forms a cozy nook that can be used in a variety of ways. Many homeowners in Lafayette turn this area into a window seat, complete with cushions and storage underneath. Others use it as a reading corner, a place for plants, or even a small dining area. Customizing the depth and layout of your bay window helps you make the most of this added space. Exterior design details also matter. Roof options for bay windows, such as a small overhang or decorative top, can enhance the overall look of your home. These features add architectural interest and help your bay window blend seamlessly with your home's structure. Grille patterns are another way to personalize your window. Whether you prefer a traditional grid design or a clean, modern look without grilles, this detail can significantly impact the overall style. In Lafayette neighborhoods, where homes often have unique character, these small design choices help your bay window stand out while still fitting in. Energy efficiency is a key benefit of modern custom bay windows. With proper design and professional installation, they can help reduce drafts, improve insulation, and lower energy costs. Choosing high-quality materials and glass ensures your investment delivers long-term performance. Security is also part of the customization process. Reinforced frames, durable glass, and advanced locking systems provide peace of mind without sacrificing style or functionality. Ultimately, custom bay window design is about creating a feature that enhances your home in every way. From improving natural light and ventilation to adding usable space and boosting curb appeal, the possibilities are nearly endless. For homeowners in Lafayette, investing in a custom bay window means more than just upgrading your home. It's about designing a space that feels brighter, more comfortable, and uniquely yours. With the right combination of style, materials, and features, your bay window can become one of the most loved elements of your home.